Hey, how are you doing? All right, thanks for watching my videos. I get a kick out of doing these. Corey Draper right here, and subscribe to me channel, mate, and that'd be kind of cool. And matey and mateyette. All right, if you join LiveGood, and I hope you do, I think you'll get a kick out of it. It's definitely affordable. $40 to be an affiliate. It's only $9.95 a month to be a member. It's an affordable, kick-ass, fun business. I like it because there's no pressure. The products, they really do sell themselves. They're not embarrassing. They are high-end, badass, health and wellness oriented products. They are wholesale, and there's just a membership of only $9.95 a month to buy the heck out of a lot of CBD oil, protein powder. There's vitamins. There's even cool hats and shirts, and even a bottle you can put some stuff in and shake it up and drink it, like super reds and super greens and amino acid fruit punch, which is my favorite. And why am I talking this way? So I must be born on the home on the range or something. So, okay. Now, when you study the format of how we do things around here and what the products are, and if you do become an affiliate, you're like, all right, okay, I can post on TikTok, post on Instagram, do some ads maybe about what's going on Facebook. You don't want to buy leads. This company, they don't mind if you do email. They just want you to generate leads with a concerted effort, targeting somebody that likes affiliate marketing. They like health and wellness products. You're not going to just go buy a list from somebody on the internet. You know, for $50, they send you 5 million leads. They're all burned out. Most of them are probably dead. And I mean that the links are dead. Hopefully the people aren't dead, but it's usually bots or robots or some fake crap. They get your money and they'll say they'll send you, more leads if they're undeliverable, and it's a mess. You're sending a bunch of information to emails that they don't even know who you are. LiveGood, that could be a total rock band for all they know, So don't buy leads and don't spam and do all that. The company frowns on it. They'll turn your affiliate division off, and it doesn't work anyway. So why would you do something that does not work? So you'll get to the point where, okay, you need to send traffic or people. They click something and then they go somewhere, hopefully that leads to LiveGood, and they sign up, and we all live happily ever after. Okay, I'm just going to show you the basic capture page. Whoops, there we go. I got to shrink myself. There we go. Sorry, guys. It's hard to film and point and click and try to pay attention. I have ADD, so I'm a pain in the ass when it comes to video. Okay, this is the main capture page to LiveGood. They maintain it. You don't have to do nothing except get someone to put their name and email address there. When they click it, they get into the LiveGood website and they snoop around and check it out and look at the pay plan, look at the products, look at how much they cost, how much time are they going to put into this business, and will they get anything out of it? I mean, there's so many decisions that you make when you get an online opportunity. All I can say is I'm a busy guy. I actually got a couple incomes. I love being busy. I'm not looking to retire. I can't wait to work, LiveGood, and make video and do stuff. And all I try to do is just have people put their name and email address eventually into this little capture page, and I hit reserve my position. And I'm done. There's nothing else for me to do. Video training takes over. This company has 30 days of emails that will go to each person for 30 days in a row. And if they don't want the emails, they just at the bottom, it says opt out. And that's it. So you can direct traffic that is not bought leads. If you put up like a video like this right now, and I say, hey guys, check out my opportunity, and I talk about LiveGood for like 10 minutes, and you make a decision to visit this page, that's not spamming. I didn't buy it. You guys are coming to my website, so to speak, to check out the opportunity. So it's okay to have your traffic that's coming to you go to that guy right there pointing to the middle. Okay, now, what I do is I have software and I have ways to generate leads and I talked about it earlier. I really enjoy where I can target somebody that's in an MLM already, or they're having success, or they failed. They're in bodybuilding, they're in health, they're in wellness. They have things in common, and they're posting about interests that are right on target with LiveGood. So if I get a hold of that person and they're interested, then what I do is I send them to two different areas. I don't want to mess up with my relationship with LiveGood and try to blast a bunch of new people into my capture page at LiveGood, I like them to look at the opportunity a little more. This one here, the Easy Commission, since I'm in a group where I'm going to show you another capture page, but there's 2 capture pages that I can provide you with if you are interested. Now, this is, I would say, the #1 way that people are signing up to LiveGood. It's called the Easy Commission. It's Jeff. Jeff's right down here, and he takes you through and talks a little bit about the company. And if you like what you hear, there's another video. And see these orange boxes that says lock in your spot? Well, if you like what Jeff has to say, and if you're kind of interested in what I have to say, then when you click this, it then goes to the LiveGood capture page, which you can see. See right there in the middle, it says welcome to Corey Draper's website. That's how you can tell that it's your direct capture page. Now, if this says something else, obviously you configured it wrong. But anyway, it's super easy. Don't worry about that. Okay, so that's one technique that seems to be really working. He's got 700 people signed up underneath him and over 20,000 people in his downline in 4 months. Does Easy Commission work? Well, does a bear in the woods? Okay. Now, this other fine group, this is the group that I originally started with, and they're awesome. And Nick and Rob, they kick butt. They're just great at marketing, and they've made really good money online over, oh my God, almost a 20 to 30 year period. These guys aren't just new and accidentally made something successful. So what they did is they've got a great group called the Job Free Revolution, and wait till you see their brand new website. I mean, it is free everything. It is technology based with software, how to get leads, which I really recommend, and it has tons of advice on TikTok, Instagram, how to post with a purpose, how to talk to somebody. It's hours and hours of free, honest to God, education. Honest to gosh. There, I'll make my video edited. And all you do is direct people to this page and then see where it says, yes, secure my top placement. Well, when you click it, I'll show you. It just goes to my capture page at LiveGood. So I love having half my traffic go to this, and my other traffic goes to Easy. Oh, where is it at? Right there. And you know what? If they sign up, awesome. You know, because Jeff makes a couple bucks, my upline Rob makes a couple bucks, I hopefully make a couple bucks, and you make a couple bucks. That's why this way that the company is completely designed, it's just amazing. But I think both websites are well done. They're very simple, very educational, and that's what I can bring to the table is results of the top of the leaderboard. Out of the 270,000 affiliates worldwide, there's only about 45 to 50,000 in America, which means there's only 1,000 people per state even doing this. But the sales have went from 0 to 8 million in 4 months. And right now we average 35 to 4,000 people a day. That's worldwide. And they can only sign up under affiliates like me and you. They can't call the company and just automatically just sign up. They can't just find Jeff and Rob and all these other great people that are kicking ass. There's plenty of people that want this. But do we have enough affiliates to capture everybody? Well, right now, if you get in, all I can say is please do your best to just get your own domain, like yourname.com. Let's say your name's Bob Smith. How about joinbobsmith.com? If that's open, buy it for $11.50. That's what I paid at GoDaddy. And you can just forward. So when people go to like joincorey.com, it just goes to one of your capture pages, and that's it. There's nothing else to do with this company, because once they're in the video phase, videos take over from there. They do a nice, crazy, just simple. This is what you can do. This is what it is. If you like some products here, this is how much it is. You got 3 months to get. It's the most simple company ever, and most people can afford $9.95 a month. And if they have to go ahead and get $40 out of their pocket to go ahead and join, everyone's doing it. I mean, this is by far the easiest probably program I've ever, this is my opinion, disclaimer, but this is definitely the easiest program that I've ever been involved in. And I don't do MLM. I'd rather work on Harleys and do my rock and roll show and probably do 1,000 other things besides talk about an MLM type company. This one kind of pays like one, but it's wholesale products and you don't have to buy a thing. and there's no contracts and no auto pay. So it's ingenious. I've said it many times. I'm kind of jealous of our CEO Ben and not our marketing director, because I wish I could have invented LiveGood. They done a darn good job, and it seems like the whole world agrees. You don't accidentally get 270,000 people locked in, 4,000 people a day, because it's free. That you can't buy that. If you got billions of dollars, people will take your money. They'll go spend it, but they sure in the hell ain't joining something. They'll go buy a car before they join and work hard. So, all right, well, that's probably a little review that maybe it'll tell you yay or nay. There's plenty of other people that are talking about LiveGood, and they might do a better job of explaining things. I get all over the place, I know, but all I can say is so far so good. I'm looking forward to gold. The next rank is platinum. It just means you got 30 people with 100 people in your group, and then you get to 100 people with this, and it's just more and more people in your downline, and you just make more money. So it's exciting. All right, if you're interested in just more information or joining LiveGood, at the bottom of this video, it's either going to say joincorey.com or pleasewatchvideo.com. They go to the same page. I own both websites, and sometimes I mix it up on my videos. And then if you're interested in the state-of-the-art software, AE, artificial intelligence, where they can get you, if you got the time, you can get 100 or 200 leads per day. And that's just sitting there drinking coffee, watching a 30-minute show like the Dukes of or the Happy Days. For you older folks, you guys know Happy Days and Mork and Mindy. So, all right, take care. Thank you for watching my video. I definitely appreciate it. And I have another one probably planned right after this. So you guys have a good day, and hopefully we'll see you soon. All right, goodbye.